Thanks for watching me restore this kitchen knife. You've all been asking for knives, you've all been asking for restoration, so what better than restoring a kitchen knife? Fun project. There's a few little bits of pitting in there, but I didn't want to grind it too thin, and I think it sort of adds to the aesthetics as well. Overall, I'm happy with the way it looks. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, share, leave a comment and subscribe if you're not already, and hit that bell icon so you're notified when future videos come out. It's really important to the algorithm, to me, to the channel. And while you're here, please look in the description where you'll find links to my sponsors, my social media pages, heading over to Instagram and follow me on there. And I also have a Patreon if you want to support me and help keep me making more videos. I really appreciate my current patrons. They do a lot to support me and you get to see loads of behind the scenes stuff. 7 videos in now and all my patrons can see everything, they can see all my videos. Big thank you as well to TS Prof for sending me that knife sharpener. It's one of the best that I've used and I'll be using it a lot more in the future. If you look in the description, there's also a link to those, so check those out. And I also have some discount codes in the description. So while you're in the description, have a look about, see all the stuff, check the discount codes, go buy some stuff. Helps me out, helps the channel. Buy some merch. Thanks for watching till the end and stick around, obviously, for outtakes. Thanks everyone. See you on the next one. Fun. Yeah, just a bit of fun. That one. Things. Fuck off. To. Fuck off. Asking for fuck off. To get. Fuck off. Description. Fuck off. Fuck off. Regular. Fuck off. Head on up. Fuck off. Anyway, then fuck off. Some of the better stuff. Fuck used. Fuck off. Now, fuck off. I haven't done a fuck off. We're also real fun. Fuck. Fucking fuck. No, fuck off. If we were just gonna say fuck.